Well, welcome back, everybody. I hope you guys are having a safe, fun, and Remembrance Memorial Day weekend here, remembering all those wonderful and important U.S. men and women that have given their lives over the years for our country. So, hope you're having a great weekend here, remembering and thinking about them. As we go ahead and we kick off here tonight, the thing that I want to share with you is this. So we have the weekly chart in Thursday night's video. I talked to you about the rising weekly and daily supports underneath of us. So I was very quick to look for long side trades. At the same time, then when we got up here to resistance, that's where I'm going to back off. And isn't it interesting? Once again, these levels that I've talked to you about for like a year plus now are once again coming back to fruition and happening right here and right now. And so, with that being said, of course, with the market being back up here today with the buy side signals, some really great long side reentries in that I was focusing on long side. And to build upon that, look what was happening on Friday here. We had the hourly chart that was extremely bullish here. We had all sorts of buy side indications walking in the door here this morning. We had throttling, we had all sorts of my important tools there, right? And so as you're looking at those things, and then even common tools that we've shared with you over time, like IRBs and reverse IRBs, right? All of those things mixed in with our important other strategies that, if you're not aware of them, things like the acceleration alerts and rapid trade identifiers and the champion setups, all these different wonderful tools that we have there, the dual momentums, the stochastic spikes, all these things. We had all of those wonderful things happening on the hourly chart. Then you bring it down to a lower time frame, like the 10-minute chart. All of those things were firing off here this morning, including more throttling, which means even after pullbacks, we're expecting higher highs. And then bringing it right down here, even to like the 5-minute chart, same thing. You had all those different signals taking place: the Pro RT, the champion setups, the rapid trade identifiers, acceleration alerts, IRBs, reverse IRBs, all sorts of wonderful entry and re-entry opportunities with throttling, which means after a pullback, we're expecting a higher high. Right? We kept getting all those things all day. Everything that I teach you out of my ITP strategies just happened over and over and over. So as you can imagine, the only thing I focused on today was long side trading, and in the stock index futures, long side trading. Although I want to go ahead and give credit where credit's due. Kudos to Ted, who just did a phenomenal swing trade there in AI, and I'm sure we'll talk about that in the days to come. It's important to know how to use some of these different strategies from a regular equity and options perspective. So one of the things I like to look for, right? The AVGO Broadcom, the weekly chart here was bullish. The daily chart was bullish. You bring it down to the hourly chart. Look at that. All of the signals that are in my IT pack firing off like crazy over and over and over again. Rapid trade identifiers, accelerators. And if you don't know what these things mean, that's okay. Join me next Wednesday morning at 10 o'clock Eastern, and I'm going to review that. It's been several months now since I've done that. I'm going to go ahead and do it here this Wednesday morning. Boy, it couldn't be more important of a time with everything going on with the debt ceiling, the hopes that it's going to go ahead and pan out, the fears that it won't pan out. That's going to lead to some incredible trading. So we try to do the class right in the middle of it to be on time and on spot with you there for it. So what's nice is, too, just so you understand, if you don't know what any of those things meant, that's perfectly okay too, because there's some really neat things you can do, like here in wealth charts, for instance. You got these great little filters that are automatically provided, especially now inside of wealth charts. We added all these quick buttons for you. So like here, I can just hit bullish hot and it'll just immediately tell me some of the most exciting opportunities. And by the way, guess what? There's AVGO and a bunch of others here. And so it's really exciting. Or you can set up your own filters to look for the combinations that you like. If you like that throttling that you always hear me talk about, there's different things that we can set up to look for those specific opportunities in whatever market that you're looking for. Okay? So really neat to see what's happening here. Again, Ted just knocking it out of the park there. I think it was like a 36% gain. I'll give you the exact number there when we see on Wednesday, but great job there on the underlying instrument, not the option, right? But we're going to show you on the options how to do these things as well in this special class. So even more focus on the options than normal to help you. So whether you're a day trader of futures, whether you're a swing trader of equities or options, this is going to be a very important class because right now I keep telling you these opportunities are really abound right now. I fired off several long side trades myself today. And so, if you go to becomeabettertrader.com/go, becomeabettertrader.com/go, I'm going to break down all the different segments of those strategies and talk through it and exactly as it relates to the market in the here and now. So no matter who you are, if you already have my ITP tools, wonderful. Come learn more of how to use them. If you don't, come learn these strategies because these are like the top of the top of my trading strategies there, and it's kind of a culmination of my life's work. So I really want to go ahead and to have you at that special class. So go to becomeabettertrader.com/go. Let me show you how I'm putting the daily and the weekly analysis on the indices, along with then what's happening on the intraday basis. And if you're a swing trader, how to take whether it's weekly, daily, or right down to like an hourly chart for your swing trades here, like Ted did with AI here. Let me show you how to put all that together. Okay, so enjoy the rest of your weekend. Again, thank you to all of you that have served in the military. Thank you to the families that have lost loved ones. I'll look forward to going ahead and seeing the upcoming videos, and I'll look forward to seeing you at this special event Wednesday morning at 10 a.m. Eastern. It's going to be a very special event that you do not want to miss because we have not done this for several months. Okay, have a great rest of your weekend, guys. Take care. Bye-bye.